Contrary to Python 3.1 docs, hash, obt, not equal id, obt. So which is correct? The following is from the Python version 3.1.2 documentation. From the Python language reference section 3.3.1 basic customization. From the glossary. This is true up through version 2.6.5. But in version 3.1.2, so which is it? Should I report a documentation bug or a program bug? And if it's a documentation bug and the default hash value for a user class instance is no longer the same as the ID value, then it would be interesting to know what it is or how it is calculated, and why it was changed in version 3.
I'm guessing this was a change made in Python 3.x to improve performance. Check out issue 5186, then look a little more closely at your mismatched numbers. It's probably worth reporting as a documentation bug.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.